Well, hello there everyone, David, your friendly hairy Scotsman, back once again with another wee review of something that I found. Now, I was in Aldi last night. It was last night I was in, and I was having a quick look around, and I saw these things. Now, they're not new, I've seen them a few times, but I never thought anything of them. I was chatting to one of the guys at work there, and he has these for his lunch. They are by Bramwells Express noodle bowls. Now, this is the chicken flavour. They also do a curry flavour, which I've got, which I'll give a try another video. Apparently it serves one. Ready in 3 minutes. There's some traffic light bump. There's some nutritional bump. There's what's in them. It's a whole 85 grams. Ooh, that'll fill me up. So, apparently you peel off the lid halfway back. I think I've just done slightly more than halfway back. And you've got bog standard noodles in there. You also, that's going to fall off there, have chili powder, seasoning powder, and vegetables, dried veg. I've got a hair in my mouth, there we go. I've got a pair of scissors, I have. Let's chop off the seasoning, the veggie things I mean. Let's have a look what they're like, depends if I put them in or not. Bog standard seasoning things like that, a little bag of bits. So, hold that to there, I'll tip them in, like that. That can go from a rubbish pile. Got some seasoning. Give that a wee flick so it doesn't all come flying out. Snip that off. Nice shade of yellow. Smells like roast chicken. So that can go in. Interesting colour there. And the chili powder. Do I bother with putting the chili powder in? Well, it's part of it I suppose, so just flicking that to try and get down a bit. Ooh. Doesn't all want to come out, but there we go. And then what you do is 365 ml of boiled water, which I prepared earlier. That's my Blue Peter moment. Here's one I prepared earlier. Pour all that in there. Wow, that's a heck of a lot of broth there. I mean, that is up to there. You cover the lid back over, like that. I'm going to pop my fork on top to hold it in place. And you wait approximately 3 minutes. But that would be boring. So this is the point I'll get the boring bit out of the way and say, if you haven't already subscribed, I'd greatly appreciate it if you did. Hit the bell for notifications if YouTube actually want to give them out. So I've noticed I'm not getting a lot of notifications for the folk that I'm subscribed to. So just, if you are subscribed, just check that you're still linked in there. Leave a like, leave a comment. I'll just choke a little bit there like that. I hope everyone's keeping well. I mean, I'm just getting ready to go out to work just now, and I thought I'll give that a wee try. Because it's been quite a hectic week and all that sort of thing. So, hey ho. Getting ready to go and do the football today. What have I got? 4 football matches and a shinty match. So that should be fun. What I'll do, I'll put you on pause for a second well, about 3 or 4 minutes to let that sort of all soak together. But for you, it will be almost instant. And I'm back, as quick as that. Now, sorry about the light, the sun has just moved round there and it's absolutely bright on my face. I've got a studio light on as well, and it's just not even touching it. So, let's have a go at this, shall we? It is quite hot. We'll peel the rest of this off. It's had about 3 or 4 minutes now. I don't know if you can see this without it tipping. It's just in there and no more. But the noodles look really quite nice. Bit of wee. Like that. There we go. So we'll turn it round to let you see what it is. There we go. That's better. You'd think the amount of videos I've done like this, I'd get it right by now, wouldn't you? There you go. Now, I don't know if I told you how much these were. 99p. So it's dearer than a packet of noodles. I can get a packet of noodles for 35p and it's 100 grams. Sorry about that, light is horrible. Just going to take a wee twirl of these. Like this. It's all going up the handle of the fork. Right. It actually smells like roast chicken. Let's give it a try. That's not bad. Ooh. And you get a wee kick off the chilli there at the side of your tongue. These are quite nice. That has got a nice wee chilli kick to it. It's not hot chilli, but it's just got a nice little tingle on your tongue. I can get them out. The noodles have just still got a bit of bite to them. They've not gone soft. The veg you can't taste at all. That broth's really tasty as well. That is nice. For 99p, it's not bad. Try to set out that light. The broth is really nice and warming. That is pretty good. Some more. Oh god, the sun's really come out. That really does taste like roast chicken. That is really nice. They're really good noodles, these. I'm enjoying these. Some noodles you get just go to like a mush. These have still got a bit of chew to them. They're soft, they're not crunchy or crispy or anything like that. That broth is really good. Listen, you could get just that seasoning stuff, pour water in it, you can have a lovely drink. The noodles just work well, they cling some juice to them as well. I'm enjoying this. That is really tasty. So, Bramwells Express Noodle Bowl for 99p out of Aldi. These are good. That wee bit of chilli just gives it a nice wee tingle. As I say, the bits of veg in it, virtually non-existent taste-wise. A wee bit of onion there. Hardly anything off that. A bit of carrot. Still got a bit of crunch in the carrot. Being honest, there's no real need for it. That is enjoyable. See if you come in on a cold night or that and you just want something quick, easy, tasty, and it'll warm you up. That's the stuff. So I'm going to head off just now, go and finish this. Because as I said, I have to get ready to go out to work now. And hopefully I'll speak to you all again very, very soon. So, take care everyone. Hopefully speak to you all again probably tomorrow now. As long as I've shot another video, because this one's going up tonight. And take care. See ya.